Greetings, tech investigators. This is Mystery Curtain with your next big review. We'll power up the latest gadget, put it through its paces, and uncover whether it's a game changer or just another overhyped toy. MSI has taken a bold leap in gaming monitor innovation with the launch of the MAG272QP QD OLED X50, the world's first 1440p QD OLED panel to reach an astonishing 500 Hz refresh rate. Building on the previous MPG271QRX, which shares the same 27-inch size and QHD resolution. The MAG272QP-X50 represents a direct upgrade in refresh speed, targeting competitive gamers and esports professionals who demand nothing less than the fastest frame updates. A bold exterior that screams performance. True to MSI's aggressive gaming aesthetic, the MAG272QP QD OLED X50 sports a bold and muscular design. The rear casing features sharp edges, deep grooves, and a matte black surface that evokes the style of a futuristic spaceship. MSI's iconic dragon logo is subtly embossed on the back, looking almost like a tribal tattoo, stylish yet fierce. Two RGB lit accent panels and ventilation grills dominate the rear, adding flair and function. The monitor is relatively deep when mounted on its stand, measuring approximately 9.4 inches 24 centimeters in depth, while the panel alone is 2.7 inches 6.9 centimeters thick. It weighs 25.3 pounds 11.5 kilograms with the stand and 17.6 pounds 8 kilograms without. While bulky, the heft adds a sense of premium durability. The adjustable stand offers tilt, height, pivot, and swivel adjustments, providing versatile ergonomics for any gaming setup. Connectivity essentials covered, but no KVM. The MAG272QP QD OLED X50 includes a total of 5 input ports. 2x HDMI 2.1 supports 1440p 500 Hz. 1x DisplayPort 1.4 HBR3, 1x USB Circa DP Alt Mode, 15 WPD, 1x 3.5mm headphone jack. One notable absence is KVM switch support, a feature seen in some of MSI's higher-end models. This omission suggests MSI intended this display to pair with a single PC or console, focusing all its bandwidth and power on delivering peak refresh and pixel performance for competitive gaming. User interface and OSD features. A joystick-style control on the back of the monitor accesses the on-screen display OSD. The menu includes game-centric tools like crosshair overlays, refresh rate counters, sniper modes, and shadow tuning. MSI also adds longevity-enhancing features such as static screen detection and taskbar detection, designed to mitigate OLED burn-in by dimming static UI elements during prolonged use. Samsung QD OLED panel, stunning in every metric. MSI uses a cutting-edge Samsung QD OLED panel, and the results are simply outstanding. This 26.5-inch screen features a 2560 by 1440 resolution, 169 aspect ratio, 500 Hz refresh rate, and 0.3 milliseconds response time, delivering buttery smooth visuals for even the fastest games. Brightness peaks at 300 nits SDR and 500 nits HDR. Contrast reaches a jaw-dropping 1500/0001, allowing for true blacks and vibrant highlights. The panel achieves 99.5% DCI-P3, 98% Adobe RGB, and 82.1% Rec. 2020 color space coverage, ideal for not only gaming, but also high-level creative work. The screen features a glossy coating, which improves sharpness and clarity over matte finishes. However, this also makes it more reflective, especially under direct lighting, something to consider in bright environments. Benchmark performance and real-world usage. Though marketed primarily for its record-breaking 500 Hz refresh rate, The MSI Mag272QP delivers more than just raw speed. When benchmarked, the panel exhibits exceptional consistency in response time at all refresh rates, maintaining its 0.3 milliseconds performance from 60 Hz to 500 Hz. Motion clarity is nearly perfect, with no ghosting or smearing, even during ultra-fast scenes in fighting or FPS games. In HDR mode, the monitor displays excellent shadow, detail and bright highlights without crushing blacks or washing out colors. SDR content looks similarly vibrant, and MSI has tuned the color profiles carefully to support both gaming and productivity. Notably, MSI has improved the uniform brightness across the panel, a known weakness in previous QD-OLED generations. This means no more darkened patches or uneven backlighting, even in challenging lighting conditions. Final verdict: a new gold standard for competitive gaming, priced at around $900 to $1,000 USD. Depending on the region, the MSI Mag272QP X50 isn't cheap. But for what it delivers, it's a strong value for serious gamers. This is not just a refresh of the previous 360 Hz model. It's a full upgrade in brightness, clarity, and panel control. Whether you're a professional esports athlete or a casual gamer looking to future-proof your setup, the Mag272QP X50 offers industry-leading speed, deep blacks, vivid colors, and precise control. MSI has not only raised the bar, they've practically removed the ceiling for what QD-OLED gaming monitors can do.